Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. Another 10 minutes, F-18 order build in action. Exciting, about the drama, baby. Okay, I got the two elevator blocks glued to that bulkhead with some 15-minute epoxy. This is what I'm using, some of this BVM. It's like a paste with a little cotton cloth here. Ordered a couple tubes of that. My buddy down there in Oklahoma says it's some good stuff. And I got some Isol for the bulkheads. But guess what I got today? Guess what I got? Take a guess what I got. This is from my buddy Joe J in California, A. You know who Joe J is? It's my pilot guy. He's the pilot dude. And guys, he loves doing this stuff. If you guys need some off-scale pilots, or even pilots that don't look like everybody else's pilots, you know. Remember, he made Zombie Dude. Where he comes up with this stuff, I don't know. But he sure does a good job. And I ain't gonna say he's the cheapest, but he's one of the best. And I'll put his email in the description. You guys need some hard to find pilots. Joe J, I'm pretty sure, can hook you up. Check that out. Got a couple little patches. See where he comes up with this stuff? I don't know. Now one of these is... Okay, this is... Star Fister Pilot. This might be that bigger one. Yeah, because he said he wasn't going to put a helmet on him. But it looks good. Looks just like it, Joe. Paint off some of that hair. Resurrected George W. Bush. This is the one that was in John's Cougar that went in. And he was trashed, man. Lord, he don't even smell like jet fuel anymore. We gave him the Joe and he fixed him up. That was Balcom's old pilot. We're just going to let him hang in the shop for a while. Yeah, he looks good. All right. Oh, there's some more goodies. Oh. Bob. Front pilot with ninja tattoo. Was having a tattoo somewhere. Oh yeah, man, that looks cool. He's got the little Jolly Roger, the AG on him. Oh man, look at them shiny old boots. That's scale right there. Man, he looks good, Joe. Man, God just amazes me. Go find a dang 7th scale pilot. They are all cheese balls. Skymasters is the best I've seen, but they don't look near as good as that. Them 810 pilots that was in man, the helmets are a little different. Man, that looks good, Joe. We haul. All right. That full pilot right there, baby. Short pencil, short pencil, short pencil, rear pilot. It looks like Calvin. See, even these guys look different. They're both different. One's a little more tanner than the other. They're not the same. That's what I like about Joe's stuff. Man, these guys, man, I like these masks too. This is a nice setup, Joe. You're a man. You came through. You can see the difference. This guy's a little more tan than this one. Calvin helped me put him together. Calvin helped me build that jet, so we're out to let Calvin, old Calvin, go for a ride. We'll just call him Flash. B1 and Flash. Cool. Shoot, Chad, you the man, Joe. Joe C Extras. Oh, wow. Look at the size of that thing. Huge. G-suit. Oh, look at here's his helmet. This is a big old helmet. Starfighter pilot. Yeah, he's a lot bigger. Big old head. Oh, helmet. See it. Man. Man, that looks cool. Plug in there. That is a G-suit right there. Shows patches for Boston Beal. Extra. Okay, this is, I think, is an extra helmet. It's a little bit better. Bam. Now he said he can get helmets with different paint jobs on them. So Joe, you just need to get with I gave him your number and your email address there, Joe J. I'll send these on to Joe. He's actually away at work right now, but he'll be happy. Sweet. Patches. Oh, these are Joe's. Check it out, Joe. There's your Thunderbird patch. A little cat in the bone. That's some cool stuff, man. Some more stuff in here. One of them little Jolly Roger stickers. Tomcat helmet stickers. Oh, that's cool. Helmet stickers from a Tomcat. Alright. Again, let's put all Joe's stuff in one box. We'll just send these on to Joe. But I'm sure old Jason's going to be getting a hold of you. And the other guys with some odd bod scale stuff, where you just want 6 scale that's different, we'll hook you up. Yeah, Joe, I got a couple helmets over here because I think his original one got busted in the crash too. But I've got a couple of helmets here. Don't worry about it. He's just going to hang in the shop because that was Balcom's guy, and we'll just let him hang in the shop for a while. Bam! Got me a couple of F4 pilots. Man, they're going to be chunky. They're going to save my CG. We're just going to let them, I'll probably just see it fly it, mating it like it is. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, senor. And thanks, Joe, man. You're the man. Get a shout out to Joe and his Papa Joe. They're both Joe Felix. That's why one is called Joe J. We got Papa Joe. Looked like me and my dad. He was Big Bob, not Little Bob. Sorted. I'll get them sent off to Joe. And that was fun. Man, I'm gonna get these guys sitting in there. ASAP though. Kind of chunky. I'm gonna have to do something. I need to add that chute in the back. That's like a pound. But they're going in there. I don't care what I gotta do. I couldn't move my batteries back. Yeah, because they're in the nose. I can put my batteries back on that box. I can put them all back there by the turbine if I have to. I'll figure something out. Uh-oh, 13 minutes.